Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking, and I'm going to be making donuts. So it's actually my first time trying it, homemade donuts. So it promises to be sweet and interesting. So come on, let's cook this food together. Let's make this donut together. So these ingredients listed here are the things you are going to use for the donuts. So now I am adding my flour. That's one of the things you need. So after adding all the dry ingredients together, like the yeast, the sugar and all that, you add your warm water, your egg. You now add like the liquid. You now add everything, dig a hole and mix everything together. Unfortunately, while filming the video, I didn't know that part was not filming. So after mixing it, you're going to have a dough. So with the dough, you will knead the dough and put it in a bowl. Allow it for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, you allow it to rise. You will look for anything you can use to cut the donut. Just cut it and use anything to cut out the middle so that you can have this shape. Unfortunately, I didn't film it because I was already getting stressed out. So heat up your fire and allow it to get hot. Fry it on low heat. So this is our aftermath. This is our result. Voila, my first time tried, right? Rate me.